Hello! Hello, builder! Let's build some bricks! Hi, builder! Welcome to the born of KikoTown. Let's finish assembling this set 7633 from Lego City construction site and finally begin with the construction works. I would be very happy if you were part of this town. You can even have a house here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you can suggest Lego sets that you'll like to see here in this town. One of them can actually be your house here. So let's build some bricks. The challenging crane. We will have a critical part missing here, but once again, creativity is the key. I will guide you through it with the speed building and I will point out solutions for our missing parts. Reflectors. We already needed them for the transportation truck and we will need them again for the crane. And we can find them in the master library. Unfortunately, we don't have access to the slopes with the reflectors, so I choose to put blank ones. There is also missing a plate modified 1x2 with arm up that we can easily find in the master library. At this point, we can find some interesting bricks 1x4 with some kind of max loads vynil in the master library, and I will use them for this building along with some reflectors to get as close as possible to the original set. Once again, we need to look for the reflector in the master library, and I used a tile, or two tiles actually, 1 by 2 for this effect. In order to get the display position for the crane, we need to rotate those 1 by 2 bricks at 45 degrees. And then we adjust the support bars to fit in the studs. And to finish our build, we need to place the chain in position, tricky one, as we saw in the previous video of the Harry Potter set Escape from Private Drive. And if you didn't see it already, you can always go check it out. And the trickiest part of this set, using stu.io, is to place the cable for the crane. I don't think we can use a real cable in this software, please comment below if I'm wrong. And the best fit I got was a hose. This is tricky to get in the shape that you want, but if you use some modified tiles to guide your hose, it will work just great. And that's exactly what I did. I placed some modified tiles along the way I want my hose to be, and then I shaped it using those connection points. You will need to be patient until you get the exact shape you are looking for, but you can use as many guides as you like, and at the end just delete them, the hose will remain in position. Some minor adjusts and voila! We have our crane done. And the constructions have finally started. From now on, the town will grow fast and healthy. Once again, I invite you to be part of it. Give me suggestions of sets that you'd like to see in this town, and don't forget to subscribe so you can follow the entire progress of KikoTown. And if you liked the video, you can press that like button. I will need your support for this huge project. Let's build some bricks. See ya!